Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up this vintage Stanley Sweetheart 6-inch combination square. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, let's get a good look at this little square real quick. She is in remarkable shape for the age. This is a Stanley Sweetheart, number 21. I don't want to go all mechanical on cleaning this up. I mean, I probably will use a few tools on here, but let me read you this stuff on here. This is a number 21, patented January 23rd, 1917. Stanley Sweetheart, New Britain, Connecticut, USA. So this thing's absolutely stunning, and I'm quite happy to have gotten it. So I think what we should do is take her apart and we can start cleaning this up. Like I said, I want to do a very light cleaning on this. I don't want to go crazy at all. That is nifty how that runs right through there like that. I'll have to get a magnifying glass and figure out if we can punch this key out or not. If not, it's no big deal. We can move it around and clean it that way. Kinda wanting to not pull that pin, but yeah, we'll look at it. So I think what I want to start off with first is just a cleaner on this with a 4/0 steel wool. This is just like an oven cleaner, and I'm hoping that'll do it good enough for us. I don't think it'll take the staining out. But I do want to get the grease and the grime off of it. Well, it came out like that. Again, it's not terrible, but it's not really good either. Yeah, we're going to have to figure out what we're going to do on this. Give me a sec. Well, that was a whole lot of wiping down with the 4/0 steel wool. I wound up going with oven cleaner, PB blaster, and then eventually just a little pump of 3-in-1 oil. I mean, it's a little cleaner. It's a hell of a lot cleaner than that side. But it's a little bit cleaner. I think I can live with that. I could still read the writing just fine on there. Yeah, I think that's what we'll wind up doing. It's just leaving it at that. Like I said, she's going to be a glorified wall hanger. This is just going to go in my Stanley Sweetheart collection. And yeah, let's get the other side cleaned up. Back to the oven cleaner. And a whole lot of scrubbing. Alright, well, that is about as clean as I can make it, fellas. She is still stained up. I think I might go over this with a lacquer. Try and keep it from scuzzing back up again. And we'll start on the body and the little thumb wheel. Yeah, let me go spray this with some lacquer. Alrighty guys, well, I think we did a fantastic job today cleaning this up. Like I said, we didn't go crazy with it, we just cleaned it. We did use a little bit of mechanical tools on there, but we didn't use any sanding. A little bit of Scotch-Brite, a little bit of 4/0 steel wool. And this thing is looking snazzy again. Wow, that's a stunner. It's going to look really nice up there on the wall with my other Sweetheart stuff. Really, really like this a lot. Let me read it off to you. Stanley Sweetheart, New Britain, Connecticut, number 21, patented January 23rd, 1917. That is awesome. All right, let's go put it up on the wall. There we go. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with the cleanup and preservation of that little Stanley Sweetheart Combination square. Hope you guys liked it. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you guys next week with another. Bye.